It's Secure with Davey, and welcome to a full video on how you can reduce data consumption on either your desktop or your computer. I would encourage you to pay close attention to every details so that you'll be able to get the best out of this experience. Let's get started. So guys, the first thing we'll be doing is to set your connection, your data connection or internet connection to a metered connection. And to do that, you click on the window button and type settings on your search bar and click enter. So when you do that, you go straight to network and internet settings. And before you do this, make sure you're connected to either a hotspot or a Wi-Fi of your own, even if it's a public Wi-Fi, it does it. So once, as you can see over here, that I am connected to this Wi-Fi titled Hegere, you click on the properties and you turn on your metered connection. Now, turning on metered connection reduces data usage, as you can see over here, whenever there is data bundle on either this hotspot or router of yours. So it will reduce how Windows will use your data and install background processes that need to keep the operating system running. The second thing you need to do is, while on the settings page, is to hover your mouse over to this Windows Update section and click on it. Once you click on it, you scroll down a little bit. You'll see an option that states post updates and post for 1 week. So here you can actually choose to post updates for 5 weeks, which will delay installation of updates that uses a huge amount of data for the next 5 weeks. But for you to know my take on this, I made a short and there I detailed why it's important to allow Windows updates to run. But if you want to prioritize reducing data consumption, you can go ahead and post updates for the next 5 weeks. And lastly, this is the main part that most of you do not see nor know. So we'll be using a tool. It's actually a window utility tool that helps us to see processes beyond this interface, as you can see over here. We'll be using a tool called auto runs. Here. Now, for you to get auto runs, you will need to go to Microsoft Store. And when you go to Microsoft Store, you type in sys internal tools here. So don't let me do that for you exactly. So you type in sys internal suite. Once you type in sys internal tools, you will see this logo and this spelling below, sys internal suite application. You can install it. It's free on Microsoft Word. Once you install it, make sure you install sys internals that has this logo. Once you're done installing, you hit your window start button like this, and then you type in auto runs. Now, auto run is one of the packages that sys internal suite comes with. So we'll be using auto runs, one of the packages it has, to enable these processes that you want to enable. And so here you run as administrator. I need to put my password for this to work. Yeah, so you allow it to load and get all the processes. Once it shows ready over here, you know that you're ready to start making changes to your computer. Now go over to the quick filter and type in updates. So when you type in updates, it will display all applications that has task schedulers that automatically checks for data connection on your PC and initiates updates whenever this application releases update. So here I've already unchecked Adobe Acrobat and Zoom. So depending on the application you're running, you can simply find them, as you can see over here, and uncheck them one after the other. This is Microsoft Windows update. As you can see, the moment you uncheck them, you will no longer be getting update. But in this case, it says failed, and I made a short on my bias on this, so I will not be unchecking this. So you can go over to this and as well as this and uncheck it. Do not touch this. So pay attention to all application title, as it will be displayed below, that uses your data for updates. And once you do, as you can see here, you will need to exit and restart your computer for the settings to take place. And so in this case, I'll be exiting and then I'll restart. But that's it for the video. And once you restart, connect to that same connection, the internet connection you've been using, be it your hotspot or your router, and now observe how your data will be consumed from the moment you implement these steps. Now, I'd love to show you lastly where you'll be able to monitor how your data is consumed. So once you go back to the settings and under the network and internet, you'll be able to, over data usage, to monitor data consumption. So for the last 30 days, as you can see over here, my window has used 717 MB. I want to know your take on this video and your thoughts, and as well, if you do have any question, make sure to ask them on the comment section below. And if it did work well perfectly for you, don't forget to comment on the comment section below. Once again, it's Secure with David. Stay tuned and be safe out there.